You have 2 more, Angel? I got it. Yeah, go. It's gonna kick this way. There you go. That's just gonna kick it out. Go deep. If it's gonna kick, it's gonna wanna go that way. So it needs to go straighter. Go. Yep. Okay. ¿Arriba o no? ¿Bajo? No, the tornillo. Abajo the tornillo? On top or below the nail? You want to see that screw? Okay. Yeah. It's going to want to set pretty quick today because it's cold. We're going to have a lot more water. Does he have a radio? He needs a radio, the driver. Yeah, but you can't see him when the boom's out. Plus he was like, he's smoking a joint, dude? Oh. Just kind of just level it from that screw and then we can wait.
Ooh, it's really watery.
Yeah, you're gonna just work it a little more right now because it's gonna get really watery with the temperature. There we go. Let that set up. Where are those plates with the 12-inch dowels? Oh, okay.
O sea que viene muy alto y va a batallar mucho, Ángel.
Oh, pero yo no puedo hacer nada.
Pues
cuando le vaya echando usted, Luis.
Necesita alguien, por eso es que le digo que esto no es tanto pedo de esta cosa.
¿No lo quiere usar?
Sí, pero si ya anda acá abajo mejor.
Sí, sí. That's better. Okay. Dele la flota. Give the float.
Oh, you got it?
Yep. We just have to make sure, Shane, that we stay by the nail, the screws.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you punch.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna use this vibrator. If you see that it goes down deeper, just come back a little.
Okay. It's gonna settle a lot, I think, because of the weather. So.
Use this.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yeah.